let's cover the steps in the standard algorithm for division. In this case, you can see that I am doing 2-digit by 1-digit division. The number that I want to divide is 72, because we always start off with the dividend in this form. 72 divided by 3. I have labeled my divisor and my dividend to help as we go through this. Now, the reason why division is a little bit tough when you first start out is because there's so many steps involved in it. You have to divide, you have to multiply, you have to subtract, you have to do it again for as many times as you have place value digits. So with this, we have some acronyms that can help us out. One of them is D, M, S, and then the down arrow for division, multiplication, subtraction, and then of course the down arrow to bring it on down. And then we add one more, which is bring it on back. There's a repeat here. You also can use symbols. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring it on down, bring it on back. Those are exactly the same. So let's get started with this number. If you notice, I've got a couple questions written here. The first one is, does my divisor go into my dividend? When you look at the full number, you know that 3 is going to go into 72 many times. So let's start breaking this down into smaller pieces. We ask ourselves, looking at the first number, which is in the tens place, does 3 go into 7? The answer is yes. And so then we ask ourselves, how many times? 3 goes into 7 2 times. So that is our division phase. Check, that phase is done. We next enter multiplication. I put a little multiplication symbol right here to help myself out and to help me remember. 2 times 3 is 6. I put that right there. Multiplication, check, is done. I now go to subtraction. With my subtraction phase, I would then say 7 minus 6 is 1. All right, I stop right there. And the reason why I stop right there is because there's another question that's important that helps me to catch my mistakes before I go too far. I ask myself, is my partial remainder, right here, is my partial remainder smaller than my divisor? If it is smaller than my divisor, then I can continue. If it is larger than my divisor, it means I got this number wrong. So in this case, it is smaller than my divisor, so I can continue. My next step is that I bring it on down, 2, and then I bring it on back. I go back to the beginning. I ask myself, does my divisor, 3, go into my dividend, 12? The answer is yes. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. I put that right up there. If you notice, for each of these, I have a number here in my quotient up on top. 2 tens, 4 ones. I now do the multiplication phase. Check on division, and I start into multiplication. Now I've already multiplied the 2 tens, so I'm only working with my ones right now. 4 times 3 is 12. So this number is going to match up nicely. Finish my multiplication. I'm now into subtraction mode. So with subtraction, it would then be 12 minus 12, leaving me with a remainder of 0. I am now at the end. The way I figure out if I'm done is I am done if all place values have been brought down. So I look at this right here and I realize, yep, there's nothing left that I haven't already gone through. And my remainder is less than my divisor. So again, it's that same sort of question that we were asking right here in the question number 2, which is my partial remainder, or in this case, just the remainder, smaller than my divisor? It is 0, that's smaller. I brought everything down, I am done. At this point, what I can do is I can check my work. And so by checking my work, what I would do is I would take the quotient, 24, and I would multiply it by my divisor, 3. This is the inverse operation. Multiplication is the inverse operation of division. And then I would just get my answer. So 3 times 4 is 12. If I regroup with a 110, 3 times 2 is 6, 7. My number is 72. And if you notice, those two match. My 72 right here and my 72 right here. So I can see that this problem proves not only are they inverse operations, but also the steps required in the standard algorithm for long division. Thank you for learning with me.